Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna do our first sewing session. I'm gonna be doing a dry run for my new machine, and what I'm gonna do is I'll be creating a new hem for my newly bought jeans. It's just too long for me, so I'm gonna be doing a hem, but I'm gonna be using the original hem from it because I had it cut off. Like I said, it's just too long for me. So after washing my jeans, I had to cut it off. So this is the cut area. But what I'm gonna do is I'll be using this area here as a new hem still. So let's go ahead, let's see what I can do. So this part here, I'm starting to stitch. Then I continue and there's gonna be more stitching, and then I'm gonna if you can see, the hem is ready. It's a bit bulky if you look at it that way. That's the stitch at the back, and then that one, that's the hem that I just did. So look how amazing it is, guys. I'm so happy I was able to do it. So that's just the first leg of my jeans. If you can see, the other one's not yet finished. It's just the other side yet. So let's go ahead and stitch it for the other side. Okay, here comes the other leg of the jeans, and I hope it's gonna end up exactly the same way as the other side. So I had to wear my shandai again because it's a bit cold. There it goes, more stitching for us, and you really have to be very meticulous about it because you have to constantly like align the cut hem from that of your jeans. Make sure that it will be of the same length with that of the other leg. I actually am not using any measurement with it. I just do estimates, but normally you have to, especially if you're just doing it for the first time, you have to make sure that you put a line where you want to exactly add your stitch. But for me, I just like estimate it, like I said. More stitching. The good thing about this machine is that it's really it's really heavy duty, like it said, like it says, I mean, in the product title, because you know, jeans are really very thick. However, it managed to go through those very thick spots and the needle didn't break, so it's amazing. If you can see from this part right here, I'm able to go straight to it. That's like the thin part of the fabric. But if you go and see the part where I slowed down for a bit, that's the really thick part of the fabric. So you just have to like help the machine out. There it goes. And if you can see, if I flip it, that's how it looks like now. So you're just gonna cut some bits of it, like the threads it's coming out, and then I'll also be cutting out the thick part later from the inside. It's gonna be bulky if I don't cut it, but I'll be cutting that out, so it would be like the original jeans, though it's now shorter because I was able to create a new hem out of it. I'm very happy with the result. That's just for one leg. And if you can see, it's just really like the jeans as I bought it, though I was able to cut it according to my height. And there it goes. Here's the other one. I'm so happy because they're really aligned, even though I just like kind of estimated. But like I said, if you're a beginner or you're just doing it for the first time, so you're gonna have to make sure you add a line to it. That's it. I'm very happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.